Welcome back. SAG has sent Brazil junket file to Chief Minister Parsekar as the minister and 3 MLAs who were on Brazil World Cup trip failed to pay the remaining amount. SAG has taken this drastic step as ministers and MLAs have not paid pending amount of Brazil tour even after 3 reminders. Total 89 lakhs were spent, out of which SAG has received only 9 lakhs. 9 months have passed since ministers and MLAs had a ball of a time in Brazil at the cost of public exchequer.
Minister Avertan Furtado, MLA Carlos Almeida, Glenn Ticlo, Benjamin Silva, all 4 went to Brazil to watch FIFA World Cup football match at the cost of public money. Government has asked them to refund the money. Altogether 89 lakhs were spent on the Brazil junket. Till now, government has received only 9 lakhs. SAG has sent 3 reminders in last 9 months to the ministers and MLAs to pay the remaining amount. Third reminder was sent on 4th February. Still, they are not showing any inclination towards prompt payment of dues. Finally, SAG has written to the Chief Minister. This is what SAG has written to CM Parsekar. As Minister and MLAs who were on Brazil trip have failed to pay remaining amount spent on the tour, CM should intervene and apprise SAG about the next step and directives. Now, Goans are awaiting CM Parsekar's next move on the erring minister and MLAs who have not answered to SAG reminders. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Shortage of beef in Goa is the biggest conspiracy by BJP government against the minorities in the state. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has alleged that with the help of some NGOs, BJP government is trying to finish minorities in Goa. Congress also said that draft bill on cow slaughter by central government is the first step towards the Hindu Rashtra.
I think it's a conspiracy by the government against the minorities in Goa. In Goa, the NGOs are being used for anything and everything. In this particular case of beef, the Go Rakan Manch which was there, I think it was clandestinely being run by the ex-chief minister.
Referring to the release of 13th pay to the police, spokesperson Sunil Kaudankar demanded immediate release of police 13th pay. He said it's more than 2 months police has not received their 13th pay.
2 महिने जाले 2 महिने जावन 10 दीस जाले तरी तांचो 13th पे अजून तांकां दिवना. पुलिसांक तो 13th पे मेळटा, कॉन्स्टेबल, हेड कॉन्स्टेबल आनी ते स्केलिंग तांकां तांचो 13th पे अजून दिवना. त्याच बरोबर आज आमचो सरकारा कडेन स्ट्रॉंग डिमांड आसा की इमिजिएटली तांचो 13th पे आसा तो सरकारान रिलीज करचो. आनी हांव फाल्यां चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो होम सेक्रेटरी जावन आसा ताका लेटर करपाचो आसा रिक्वेस्टिंग इमिजिएटली सरकारान तांचो 13th पे पुलिसांचो सँक्शन करचो.
Spokesperson Sunil said that party high command is yet to take decision on Babush Munserat.
बाबुशेची ऑलरेडी पार्टीन रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आसा आनी जसो आमी एक्सपेक्ट केल्लें तितलो टायमा परस मातसो चड टायम लागलेलो आसा. बट वी आर क्वायट कॉन्फिडंट द लोकल बॉडी ऑफ द काँग्रेस पार्टी दॅट इट इज डिसिजन इज जस्ट अ मॅटर ऑफ डेज इट विल कम अप. I cannot comment exactly on the time, but हांवें तुमकां सांगला ऑलरेडी वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग तो टायमाकून मातसो चड गेला. आय विल अग्री, but it has to come anytime, any moment.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Vittal Chopdekar and his mother-in-law were bitten ferociously by a stray dog suffering from rabies at Miramar. But when the injured persons reached the GMC for quick treatment, the medicines were out of stock. They had to wait for 4 long hours before they arranged the necessary injections and medicines from a private pharmacy on a personal level. Chopdekar says it is a disgrace to the health department.
Vittal Chopdekar, resident of Miramar, and his mother-in-law were brutally beaten by a stray dog in their home garden. Dog died after 1 hour of the incident. When they rushed to GMC for treatment, there were no medicines available. Chopdekar finds this situation as disgraceful for the state health department.
आनी हातीचे दोनाय हातीचे मागीर परती हात सोडलो जाल्यार तेणी मागीर ह्या वटेन पोल्यार तिजे घास काडलो. म्हणजे अशें करून अशें तिजे घास घेतले की जशें की कुत्र्यान न्हू की तो बिबट्या वागान अशें. तेन्ना आमी दोरी घेवन गेली. दोरी ताका तोंडाक बांदतना तेणी चाप करून म्हाजेरूय हें केलो, झडप घातली आनी म्हाका म्हाजो हांगा हेजेर चावो घेतलो. मागीर आमी मॅडिकलान गेली. मॅडिकलान आमी 7:30 अशी कितें पावली जाल्यार डॉक्टरांनी आमकां ट्रिटमेंट दिलो तसोच जाल्यार तांचे कडेन तें एक इंजेक्शन आसता रेबीज तें अवेलेबल आउट ऑफ स्टॉक अवेलेबल ना म्हणून मागीर आमकां त्या इंजेक्शनाक लागून इतले स्ट्रगल करचें पडलें की तें हाडटा म्हणसर आमची 4 वरां थंयच गेलीं जेन्ना आमी 7:30 थंय पाविल्लीं इंजेक्शन लास्टाक आमकां मागीर जीवन रेखान मेळ्ळें इट कॉस्ट अरावंड 5,000 समथींग एका मनशाक 3 इंजेक्शनां लागलीं आमकां हे इतली लजेची गोश्ट दिसता की आतां हे केसीस डेली आसता बिबट्यान झडप घातली डॉग बायट स्नेक बायट म्हणून अशें जेन्ना लोक मॅडिकलान वता तेन्ना तांचे सहज मॅडिकलान मेडिसीन हे आसपाक जाय मेडिसीन आसपाक जाय उपलब्ध आसपाक जाय.
Dinesh Karpi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.